I would say welcome to the laundry room, but it's more a disaster area in our house. Hi, friends. My name is Ellen, and welcome back to the 30-day decluttering challenge. Today's challenge is the laundry room. Join me as we take 5 to 10 minutes to make this room a little bit more manageable and less of a disaster.
I apologize again for the audio in these videos. It's just been that type of week. I filmed this whole video and then realized that my mic was out of battery and needed to be charged. So that is where we are. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly sort of go through what I was trying to tell you, that this area on top of our dryer just it's a flat surface and tends to collect things. So those hangers, someone had been doing laundry and just didn't put them back. This towel just came out of the laundry again, didn't put it back. Same with those bath rugs. I went ahead and washed them. They're from actually Christmas, but I was waiting to get enough to wash, so I washed those and I had just not put them away. So that's what I just went ahead, took a couple of minutes, put it straight away. Now the surface is clean and we're going to move on to the next spot. So the next area is another flat area that's in our laundry room. Originally, I made it because I wanted an area to fold laundry so that I could easily get it folded and take it straight upstairs instead of having us find a spot. However, as you see, it's gotten cluttered with just items that people just haven't put back where they are. Several of the items, like those hand sanitizer wipes, I bought for our trip, and honestly, there's just really no place that I assigned a home to. So, a lot of things when it comes to clutter, you'll notice that if you don't assign a home to them, they'll just linger. So make sure that you find the place that the items are going to go before you buy the items even. That way they have a place. Go ahead and label them and everyone knows where they are supposed to be put. The rest of the items here are just, again, items that I was just too lazy or someone else in the house was just too lazy, put them back where they're supposed to go. We've been doing a lot of renovation projects around the house. If you can tell, our house needs a lot of TLC. So a lot of times I start a project, my son distracts me, I don't finish the project. Instead of putting things away where they're supposed to be, they end up being left. And that is the biggest problem when it comes to doing any projects around the house. Alright, so I found a smaller container for the batteries. So I'm going to go ahead and switch that out, putting it in this back. Now we have room to add the trash bags here. And that's as much as fits, so I'm going to go ahead and just toss these and not worry about it. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and use this container to put the other supplies back in and put it under here. Alright, now that's all organized, we can slide it underneath. Alright, and just one more area. I did go ahead and clear out this to use for the container. So I'm just going to add these back up to the shelf and then make note on my next grocery shopping trip to get another container for these to fit. Alright, and there you have it. We spent about 5 to 10 minutes to get through our laundry room. Again, it's It's not perfect. There's still a lot that I would still like to do. But again, the goal in this challenge isn't to make the areas perfect. The goal is to just spend that 5-10 minutes to make it a little bit more manageable. I hope you guys are having a wonderful evening. I look forward to our challenge tomorrow.